Hello, Brett. I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter Vans here in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much for your internet inquiry on our Selenite Grey Metallic 144 high roof four-wheel drive. Wanted to do a nice walk around on this van for you this morning. So as you can see, it has the fog lights. And across the front bumper, it's got the safety sensors, as well as the rear bumper has the safety sensors as well. We're going to get around to that here in just a moment. This Sprinter van has a 360-degree camera. Your front camera is located right here in the grille, so it gives you a nice angle view out front, which is really nice. Good safety feature. We'll come around here to the passenger side. So this van, we have the black wheels, which matches the Selenite Grey Metallic really nice. This is just a really nice looking van. And here in the back of the van, we have the sidewall paneling, helps protect the walls. We have the nice hardwood floor with the anti-slip coating, tie downs in various spots throughout the floor. We'll come around here to the back of the van. So this Sprinter van, it has the Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with this Sprinter van, which is really convenient. Also, we got the backup camera. It's mounted right here above the third brake light. Then we have the 270-degree doors. So these doors do open up 90 degrees and they'll stay in place the way the hinge is designed, which is really nice. And then we can open them up 270 degrees. The way the hinges are designed too, there's a small latch inside the hinge to help prevent the doors from closing on you if it's windy or you're parked on a side hill. Just makes it really nice. In the 144 wheelbase Sprinter van too, you have 10 feet 4 inches of floor space to utilize from behind the seats to the back doors. Gives you lots of room to do some upfitting. We'll come around here to the driver's side. So I like to point out the fuel filler is right here too, and to put diesel fuel in the Sprinter van, you got to open the driver's side door. And then you can open your fuel lid. 24.5 gallon fuel tank. So this van, it has the Leatherette seats, which is really nice. Comfort seat package. It has a leg extender right here for the back of your legs as well. Several adjustments here, lower lumbar support, just very nice. This van also has the swivel seat package, so you can swivel those seats right around towards the back. Really nice. It's got the 7-inch MBUX monitor in the dash, heated seats, cruise control, heated electric mirrors. Just a really nice Sprinter van. So Brett, like I said, thanks again for your internet inquiry. My name is Roger. Please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.